Alright guys, like I mentioned on my previous video on the bus bars, excuse me, and this is what we have here. So it's a final complete bus bars I have here. So this sort of package here, you guys can see, these are the latest ones I have. These are copper. And you guys can see I have, if we can count, to make it easier, maybe 1, 2, 3, oh sorry, off camera, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. 8 bus bars, copper ones, see? So it's like a set, pair of these guys, and this one's here, and these are the other ones I showed you guys. I think, let's see, these are the shorter ones. With this version, okay, we can set them this way to go side with that, so you can do any of these lithium batteries or Ford Focus or e-Golf or maybe Nissan Leaf. And I have the 8mm screws here, bolts, so they're all here as well. Okay, I had them set up over there. There, and you guys have seen. You guys have seen these ones. I wanted to show you that everything is here. I think I'm well satisfied when it comes to bus bars now. Okay, set of these and set of these. Just want to show you guys what I'm been prepared, and I know what I'm doing or what I want. And I'm always striving for that so that I can get exactly what I need for my projects, for you guys to be able to be part of it and witness and how everything works with this one old project I'm trying to do. I hope this one can help someone or make complete sense to you guys. And finally, here goes the BMS wires. Okay, goes the BMS wires. If I wanted to go BMS, so you have to do a long time planning. Don't just start to get things because you want to get into this one old game. Make sure you get your ducks in a row, get everything ready, what you want to do. And you can always make things possible, or the way things supposed to work. But when you start looking for things in last minute, or because you want them now, you're gonna pay so much money. You're gonna pay so much price for it. But when you do things, you plan ahead on time, you always gonna be rolling. You can be ahead of the game. But this is what I have right here. This is gonna do a whole bunch of stuff for me. There are a lot of these guys here, which is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 of these guys if I try to line it up with this, so that gives me 20 of them. 20 interconnect bus bars. I can use this for parallel, the copper ones, or I can use tin copper plated. Okay, I have 2 of these. You can see them, 2. So longer, and these ones are the same size with these ones. They can go along with this. It's the same size. See, tin copper plated. It's a copper, but you get a tin plated on it. And I have these ones here to go on the terminals. The N, positive, negative. On the terminals, you can see the copper covered with tin. So you hook this one up to the battery post. Okay. Then you can connect your charge controller, inverter, or whatever you want to connect to these guys. So I just want to make it simple and easier for the next install or for the next project. I got the bolts over there. All the bolts, a bunch of them. Got a bunch of them over there. I got a BMS's here, wires. So this is just the project I want to show you, and this is what I'm planning to do, and I hope this one makes sense, and trying to give you a sense of readiness, a sense of preparedness when you're about to do certain things. And this is how you do it. I don't know how you do it. You show me on your next video how you plan things, but this is how I plan things ahead of time, and planning things for the future, which you don't know what's coming, and doing so you have plenty of room. You can able to navigate yourself. Oh, speaking about it, and I have to just show all these. These are all for battery stuff. So I have the logs here as well. You guys seen them on the previous video, but these are all. So I'm just showing you everything is here, what I need for future install or future upgrades. But I'm not gonna buy bus bars anymore. I'm not gonna say anymore, because the thing is, if I find a good deal, I'm always gonna buy. I'm gonna buy, because if it's a good deal, I'm gonna buy it. Because you can't go wrong with this. Copper is expensive, and 2, you only have one opportunity to get some of this stuff. It doesn't repeat itself all the time. So if you see that, grab it and save it. It's not, you don't go wrong buying this stuff and keep them, because this is how life is. The better you buy it, you don't use it, then you need it in the future, then you have them. This is the word of the day, and you guys have a nice day on a Saturday. The JW Solo USA live in Minnesota. Love you guys all. Thanks. Stay tuned for the project. Bye for now.